below. When an individual has high blood pressure, they are really dealing with a situation that is much more than additional pressure inside of their veins and arteries. High blood pressure is considered to be a silent killer, mainly because it does not really give you any indication that it is present until it is too late. The real difficulty with having high blood pressure is that it can cause problems that are not only severe, they are life-threatening, and it is behind more cases of stroke and heart disease than almost any other problem that we deal with as individuals. In order for you to reduce your high blood pressure, you need to find a natural treatment that is going to be able to take care of the problem significantly. Believe it or not, one of the problems that you may be dealing with that can cause high blood pressure is a lack of potassium in your diet. The reason why this is the case is not just because you're not getting enough potassium, but because potassium has a lot to do with the salt levels in your blood, and this can affect your blood pressure significantly. There are really two ways for you to increase the amount of potassium that you are getting into your diet. The first of these is probably easier, and that is to take a potassium supplement on a daily basis. These come in a variety of different forms, and there are also some natural products that are on the market which are very high in potassium. You may also enjoy getting potassium through the things that you eat, such as bananas or having a glass of orange juice every day. The real key to lowering your blood pressure naturally if you have a problem with your potassium is not necessarily just taking potassium alone. The body needs to be in balance in order for it to be healthy, and this not only includes your potassium levels, it also includes your salt levels and your level of hydration. By balancing these three things and making sure that they remain balanced, you'll not only notice a difference in how your blood pressure numbers are doing, but you will notice a difference in how your overall health is doing. Make sure that you are maintaining a healthy level of potassium, and you will be healthier overall. Thank you. Click the link below to learn more.